The Read/Write tab lets you read and write BACnet properties on any device. Address is the IP and port. Include the port for simulators, for example 19, 2.168.1.100:47809. Device ID is the BACnet device instance number. Choose the object type, instance, and property. Present value is the most common property for points. Click Read Property. The result appears in the panel below as formatted JSON. To write, enter a value and priority. 8 is typical for normal writes. Then click Write Property. Read Multiple All reads every property on the selected object in one request. Time Sync sends the local PC time to the target BACnet device. Load Object List fetches all points from the device, the same browse you get from Discovery. Check the log at the bottom for success messages or errors if a read or write fails. Use writable object types like analog output or analog value for writes. Analog input is usually read-only.